into my PJs. It's 4:14. It's not gonna focus. There you go. It's 4:14, so I'm gonna make dinner, and that should take like an hour. And then I'll eat dinner, and then I'll make some more Anki flashcards and like do more work, and because I have a quiz tomorrow for medchem, and you guys will just see that until I go to bed. And now I'm a grandma, and I go to bed at like 10:30 because I have 7:30s every day. So, but yeah, enjoy.
Yeah, he talked the most about the top part, so I think that's honestly.
Oh shit. old phone. It's the iPhone 8 Plus. The case is like dingy and not pretty. And it's my new phone, the iPhone 11. Okay, it doesn't feel that much. So like this is like the size comparison. It's purple, my favorite color. Can you tell I'm a purple person? But yeah, this phone has been on its last leg for like the past year. Like I can't go three to 4 hours without having to charge it. And in the city it actually died, so I had to charge it at the Apple store. So, you know, that was a fun time for me. You know, me having a panic attack trying to get to my appointment because I was already like 5 minutes late to my appointment, but they didn't even care. Of course, they didn't even care. So, yeah, I'm gonna set up my new phone and then I have to do some lab stuff. And maybe I'll see Encanto because one of the RAs is hosting an event where they're showing Encanto, so I should probably go to that because I signed up saying I would go. So, anyways, let me set up my new phone.
I don't understand the math, to be quite honest with you. I don't even know what happened.
So, it is currently Wednesday, the 16th of February. Here's my new phone in action. So this is the case that I got for it, and I got this new phone chain from Lula Beads. I will have her website linked down below. She hand makes her chains, and like it like matches because there's a smiley face and a cherry on here, and then there's a smiley face and a cherry on my case. And honestly, I can't really tell that much of a difference between like the size of the iPhone 11. I thought I was gonna be really upset because it's smaller than the 8 Plus, but it's not. It works. Face ID is weird. Like I'm not used to having Face ID. But other than that, my new phone, great. Like I can go more than 2 hours without having to charge it. So improvements, vet people improvements. So game plan for today. I'm gonna take like a 30-minute to an hour nap because I woke up this morning angry at the world, and that just means I didn't get enough sleep. So I'm gonna take a nap, and then after I take a nap, I'm gonna go to the gym. And after I go to the gym, I'm gonna get lunch. I'm gonna come back here and I'm going to study for my Pharmaceutics 2 exam, take notes for general pathology and clinical lab data, and also take notes for medchem, I think. And I also have a CV appointment. Someone's gonna be looking over my CV to make sure it looks good enough, I guess. And that's the main game plan for today. So I'll buckle up. And today will be the last day I'm filming for this video because I'm already 2 weeks behind. So this is gonna be a random vlog, a collection of days that I did stuff that was kind of interesting. Okay. So it's currently, I don't know why I've been doing that with my hands a lot. It's currently 1:31 and I actually realized I need to film a TikTok for my job because we had an Instagram reel / TikTok workshop and I didn't want to out myself as an influencer. So I already know how to make a reel and like make a TikTok, but I guess that's not common knowledge for people, especially because like not everyone's been posting videos online since they were in middle school. So I'm gonna make a TikTok and it's gonna be the Rocco sound, like hi, I'm gonna say hi to Rocco. Hello Rocco. That's the TikTok I'm gonna make and I'm gonna show to my boss next week. I'll figure out what my friends are talking about later. Let's find the audio and make this TikTok, this stupid TikTok. Gorgeous girls get anxious before having to do literally any type of call.